Usually staff creates paper-based forms manually and convert them into digital format. These slow and plodding processes are inefficient, and they fail to leverage the business benefits a mobile platform provides. Going through each step of filling and checking the forms takes quite a lot of time, and that slows down the service, which cause frustration and discomfort. To the top of all, operations manager has a hard job to go through each paper-based form. All these factors are responsible for scaling down the profit out of the business. That's why we created Xlez, a digital solution that allows to effectively manage daily activities and improve process efficiencies. Working on Xlez is simple. By using Xlez plugin, you can create your own forms in Excel. Just drag and drop your desired controls and you are good to go. Many businesses have realized the benefits that mobile apps can help to achieve. Replacing paper-based inspection checklists with digital forms will help optimize internal business processes. User can also compare results for business analysis. It is a solution to upgrade the way of communication and information sharing by standardizing data format for comparison. Xlez is designed to work on all devices, smartphone or tablet. By using Xlez you can collect data easily. Also, you can save time, reduce effort and review task and progress history. Drop an email or contact us through our official website for more details.